Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Qistina Balqish binti Muhammad SHUKUR and I'm from DLM 6C. My PTL number is 1905074. The purpose of making this video are for the final assessment, which is for LOG 2633. So today I'll be answering all the questions that have been given to me for the past few days. So let's start with the first questions. The answer for the first question. Network carriers manage a network of planned air services between their airports and the rest of the world. These hubs are located in their home nation to maximize the amount of air traffic right available to them. Single or multiple flights can transport passengers and freight between any two places on its network. For Etihad Cargo, their hubs located at Abu Dhabi. Integrated cargo network means there is no passengers at all while it operates. It focusing on the cargo delivery 100%. The aircrafts have no seats, which means they are all only for all the various types of cargo. The aircraft comes with a large loading, which will make the process of the loading and unloading become easier. For the next question, which is question 2, low-cost carriers mean to take advantage of available capacity and also to boost the company profits. Low-cost airlines are increasingly resorting to cargo. Despite the industry's difficulties, several carriers that maintain that business is successful. Several carriers have lately established cargo services and more are expected to follow. How does this affect by giving more service to the freight forwarder? This is because there will be a lot of airlines company that will take cargo services as one of their business lines. So the freight forwarder has the opportunities to look for their client that want to export or import their products via air freight. Since they offering low fares for cargo services, there will be lots of the importer or exporter that will take this chance to import and export their product, especially during this pandemic. In business, we will try our best to find ways on how to reduce the cost that involved by using the low cost carriers. They get to cut a lot of costs, especially for the freight rate. Question number 3. One of the Etihad Cargo product that has managed to encourage more shippers to use air freight in their logistic process is Fresh Forward. Fresh Forward is focusing on perishable products. This is because in the article, most of the product that they are carried is perishable products. For example, the products that they export from Australia are meat, fish and seafood, fruits and vegetables. These are the products that they often import or export from and to Australia. With the help of largest airline company, Etihad Cargo gets to persuade other freight forwarders to join these opportunities to expand their business for cargo services that is specifically for perishable products. For question number 4, I'm going to share two opinions that I have studied on how to recover the demand for air freight. The two opinions that I mentioned about are The first one is increase the efficiency of unit load devices, and the other one is the necessity to be more resourceful as a result of digitalization. So, the first one is increase the efficiency of unit load devices. We all know that improving the efficiency of the air cargo sector is impossible without also improving the efficiency of the industry's important element, which is unit unit load devices. We should focus more on multiple application utilization, increased loading speed, greater durability, and improve cargo volume. They not only will make life simpler for loaders by accelerating the loading process, but they also allow transporters to transfer as much material as possible inside a single container. The second one is the necessity to be more resourceful as a result of digitalization. Manual process abound in the air freight business. It's inefficient, but if you have enough workers, it's achievable. However, you know that labor-intensive procedures have had their day when a global health crisis strikes and requires you to lower workforce numbers throughout the world, either temporarily or permanently. They seek to create a paperless end-to-end air freight transportation method. There are three sorts of electronic documentation involved. The first one is customs, transportation, and also commercial and special cargo. They are strengthening data dependability, transparency, and efficiency by progressively merging their digital systems. We have arrived at the fifth question, which is the last question. Gross domestic product is related to the economical state. GDP, which is gross domestic product statistics, which is often used as a measure of a country's economic progress, is one of the most important elements influencing air freight demand. In the air transportation industry, the link between air freight and GDP has long been recognized. The expansion of global air cargo transportation and the expansion of the economy are growing in sync. Trade increases as the economy grows, and increased trade has a favorable impact on freight flow between countries. For example, the demand to export products from Australia, which is meat and vegetables, has also increased the demand for air cargo from Etihad. In conclusion, if there is a lot of demand from the exporters, there will be an increasing on the demand of air cargo. That is all from me. Thank you. Bye.